Hi, this is Patty Longwinter from Siemens PLM Software. I'm the NX Product Manager for Rendering, and today I'm going to talk about NX11 Iray Plus Ray Trace Studio material operations. If you want an overview of NX11 and Ray Trace Studio in particular, check out this channel and there'll be other quick tips about it. But today we're going to talk about material operations and specifically swapping materials and editing materials. So here I've got a part where I've already set up materials and decals. I'm showing Advanced Studio on the left and Ray Trace Studio photorealistic Iray Plus based, physically based rendering on the right. And I'm going to go to my Studio task, which is where I do my rendering setup. And I'm going to go to the Materials and Part Palette where I've already set up materials. And I've got MB3 select all objects with this material in the Studio task, and I can switch to this blue material. So I'm taking a look at this material thinking I'd like it to be a little bit darker, so I'm going to go to the editor. I'm going to change the color, make it a little bit darker, and there it's saved in the part. Now let's say that I want to go and save it to the Studio materials. I want to reuse this on another part. I can save it now in NX11. I pick the folder and the palette that I want it in, type in a name, and then I go to my palette and it's going to be already there for me to use for another design. So that's a quick look at material operations in NX11 Iray Plus Ray Trace Studio. Look for more quick tips about Ray Trace Studio and NX11, and thanks for watching.